guys, this is Jessica with Jessica Chats, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite things for 2018 summer trends. I've picked up a few fashion tips for coming into the summer, and hopefully, my top 5 will help you guys out along the way. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so my first summer trend for 2018 is tiny framed glasses. I have picked up me about 2 pairs so far of a tiny frame sunglass, and I find it to be very chic. I like the trend that has started. I looked it up on let's see, I got the trend out of Vogue and Marie Claire magazine, as well as a few social media sites. I think the right frame for your face, because there's several different types of tiny frames, but the right frame for your face will do a lot, and it's very just refreshing as opposed to a big chunky sunglass that we normally would wear in the fall, winter, and things like that. A tiny frame, it's cute, it's petite, it's my number one fashion trend for 2018 summer. Let's get into that. Okay, so my number 2 fashion trend for 2018 summer is a stylish vacation bag. Not a briefcase. I'm sorry, not a suitcase or, something real heavy, but you want like a large tote or a carry-on type of a bag for your vacation bag. The summertime is here. We're going to be doing a lot of trips, a lot of vacationing, a lot of, weekend stays somewhere. For ladies, you want a good large tote or carry-on bag. I have purchased two, nope, I purchased 3 different types of carry-on bags. I have a Steve Madden, and then I have 2 Michael Kors, which I love. They're a good size. It's enough to carry, for the weekend or for even a week. You want to get 2 to 3 different sizes, but not so huge that you're needing to drag it around with you. Just something over the shoulder you can carry and maintain. So my number 2 fashion trend for 2018 summer is a stylish vacation or weekend bag. Okay, so my number 3 summer 2018 fashion trend is a one-piece swimsuit, which I've personally become a fan of, because I don't want to show my stomach off so much and just things like that. But the one-piece swimsuit is a great fashion trend for this summer. A lot of cutouts is in trend right now. A lot of mesh cover up type swimsuits are in also, but that one piece swimsuit, they have so many new styles and trends going on with a one piece. It's not just your plain boring one piece that we used to see. It's so much more updated and so much more stylish. So, for my number 3 fashion trend for 2018 summer is a one piece swimsuit. Let's get into it. Okay, so my number 4 fashion trend for summer is kind of coming out of spring also, is the pastel colors, which I find a good pastel for your skin tone will make you stand out a lot more than just a big bold color. You don't want to go so bold every day. You want to kind of tone it down. A nice pastel and pink, some blushes, some nice blues, greens, even a little bit hint of orange in that pastel color. I think it looks super chic. It's so cute, and it's a refreshing look for summer. And these trends that I'm giving you, like I said, I found them on social media. I found it in Essence magazine, in Vogue, in Harper's Bazaar, Marie Claire, Elle, all these type of magazines, all these type of websites and publications. I picked a few different ones that I like and I find to be kind of universal, and I'm just sharing that with you guys. So for my number 4 fashion trend for 2018 summer, pastels. Okay, so my last number 5 fashion trend for 2018 is a wedge sandal. Ladies, we do a lot of flats, we do a lot of heels. I think the wedge sandal has never really gone out of style, but I think it's becoming a resurgent for sure this summer because there's so many different types now. You know, there's the open toe, the closed toe, the scrappy wedge. There is a short wedge, a large wedge, medium. Like there's so much of a variety now that I think anyone can rock a good wedge sandal. So for my number 5, it's the wedge sandal, my 2018 summer trend. So those were my top 5 summer trends for 2018. Hopefully you'll take a little bit of those and use it for this summer. Hopefully it helps you out and you can enjoy a good summer vacation or a good summer break, and hopefully it was what it's supposed to be. I like those top 5. I have so many more, but right now those are my essential top 5 picks for my summer trends for 2018. If you made it this far, make sure you hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, as well as hit a comment below for your favorite trends for 2018 summer. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be coming back with more content, more videos. Follow my social media in the link below. And, I'll see you guys next time, okay? This is Jessica with Jessica Chats. And stay tuned for the next video, you guys. Bye-bye.